Day is supposed to be about being thankful for what you got, not fighting for what you don't got. These incredibly low, alluring, and enticing prices made us all forget that. So I say we all go home and spend Thanksgiving the right way, with our loved ones and our hearts full of gratitude. And that bit of wisdom is free.
Hey everyone! Hudkins is selling TVs for a dang quarter! I'm gonna buy 6 of those bad boys!
Oh boy.
That was beautiful, son.
Dad, Tilly, Grandma, you're okay! Oh, I missed you guys. How about we head home and eat our dinner?
Well, we've been here so long, the food is definitely spoiled by now.
You see, airborne pathogens
Wait,
have a way
I think I know how to
of,
save Thanksgiving dinner. Follow me. This prepackaged store food works just as well for a Thanksgiving meal. Dinner is served.
Looks great, son.
You know, I never said what I was thankful for back home. I'm thankful for my family and that we're all back to normal.
Well, Lewis, it's another Thanksgiving all alone in Price Busters.
Hey, Lewis. Want to spend Thanksgiving with us?
That would be really nice. Thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Amen to that. Now let's watch some football!